So this is going to be my presentation for just a demo video for my Fog and Edge project. My roll number is 23408189, and I'm Kshitij Kumar. Currently a repeat student from January to 2025 of MSc Cloud Computing. So this project is based around the Fog and Edge, and it's solving its major complications. So basically here, as we know that generally a lot of applications are based over the cloud, and we are working towards more of a IoT processing systems where the major volume and the major filtration of the data can be done over the IoT and onto the edge and not on the cloud because of high volume. So this project is exactly what it's based around. In this project, I've introduced in as an IoT device, I will be using few of the sensors. So this is, for example, a air quality sensor. This is a basic class that have a function in it, a init function in it that will be run when you call this particular function. So how it works is basically it generates a random value from 100 to 250. It's a uniform value, so it can be in decimals. The maximum value goes 500, and maximum changes can be up to 50, and all the sensors are just like that. Then all these sensors goes to the base sensor, which calls them. If you see, we have defined a variable. We have defined few environment variables in it for the class and the main sensors, and then it will just run through them, and it will keep calling them every few seconds. Other than that, so these sensors can be run when we run the run thing with run.py, and also when we have flask.api. So how this particular formula works is we basically run the flask, and then it starts a server that initiates that generates the values for us and send them to DynamoDB for us. So let me give you a basic demonstration, and then I will go to the dashboard. So I will just do this Python Flask. Now the Flask server is on, but it will not generate any values till I run the run.py, because that's what initiates the sensors, the virtual sensors that we have created here. Now, as you can see, it has started to generate values. It has started to generate values, and here the values are getting pushed to the DynamoDB. So as you can see, it's 200. 200 basically means successful. And if I just go there and I do Python dashboard app, now our live dashboard is on. So if I just refresh it and if I wait, first this particular dashboard is for organized dashboard, all the values. So I will not go through each sensor yet, but you can see that this is an overview. Each type of sensor, we have 5 particular sensor in one, and every sensor for example light, let me show you. So every sensor like light burnt, they have 5 of them, and they are running those at the same time using threads. So in the AWS C9, I have used multiprocessing to make sure that everything runs, and the values will keep upgrading themselves. And if you see, this is light 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, it have generated 6 values by now, and if I keep waiting, the live dashboard will go further, and whatever sensor you go, they all generate the values to all together, and the values are completely randomized, so they can be here in bottom, because see, bottom one should be the motion, then air, and highest can be light and temperature. Yeah, other than that, we also have this is a tabular form to see the sensor details. they all get updated live. So to do that in our HTML, we have just added a refresh mode, and also in the backend, the website itself, the dashboard will keep requesting for new data. So it will keep fetching the data from DynamoDB. So if you just wait here for a second, it should fetch. Yeah, it's fetching data. As you can see, the delay is of 10 seconds to not push it too much. Other than that, we have applied auto scaling. So if multiple people request for these APIs, so our system can auto scale itself.